he is. Here we go. See how this goes. There we go. The first cut. You can see now, but I have to keep these hairs for your books and stuff. So, put that right there. Okay.
How straight is that?
I have no idea. Let's see. Not very. Maybe I should have read a book about how to give haircuts before I gave one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Mommy butchered your hair.
Okay, now just go ahead and stop.